Hi Mike, this is Brad at Burton Chevy Buick GMC doing a quick walk around video for you of the 2022 GMC Canyon AT4. Nice looking truck, got the nice aggressive tires on there, steps from the factory. Trailer hitch, 7-pin, 4-pin wiring right there. Sliding window in the back. It's got the all-weather floor liners front and back as well. Power driver's seat, fog lamps, trailer brake controller, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad. It does have heated seats, so with the chip shortage, those are going to be retrofit down the road. Switches are in, elements are in the seat. They're just waiting for modules so they can plug that in for the heated seats to work. AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth. It's also got built-in GPS, backup camera, remote start. Super nice vehicle. Here and available. Sounds like you're going to be doing a credit app, so any questions, give us a call or stop on by 262-473-6060. Again, it's Brad at Burton and Whitewater. Thanks, Mike.